Google search box లో enter Mingw. Enter key press. sourceforge.net build tools. First link. Click. SourceForge official web page. Complete display. Left side Mingw minimalized GNU for Windows. Section లో green color button. Download. Click. Your download will start shortly. Download section లో mingw-get-setup.exe file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో mingw exe file select mouse double click. Window maximize. Mingw installation manager setup tool window లో bottom side second one install click. Specify installation preferences. Installation directory default path local disk C Mingw newly created folder as it default set. Second button continue click. Download and setup Mingw installation manager application related files installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. 100% process completed. Second button continue click. Desktop shortcut Mingw installer display. Mingw installation manager window లో installation packages window display. Fifth option Mingw 32 GCC-G++. Left side box tick mark set mark for installation option select. Left side top section లో installation menu click. Third option apply changes select. Schedule of pending actions window లో first button apply click. Download package window లో downloading process start. Zero to 100% process start until wait and here few minutes. Applying schedule changes window లో close dialog box automatically when activity is complete. Left side box tick mark set installation Mingw compiler files installation process completed. Close button click. Installed Mingw C++ compiler window close. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Mingw folder select open. First one bin folder select open. Top section లో address bar mouse left click mouse right click copy this path. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop window search box లో env enter. First option edit the system environment variables select. System properties window లో bottom side environment variables select. Second option system variables section లో path select. Second button edit click. Right side top first button new click mouse right click paste option select. OK click and OK click. Browser reopen. New tab Google search box లో enter Eclipse IDE download. Enter key press. Eclipse Foundation eclipse.org downloads. First link click. Eclipse Foundation official web page complete display. Install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Downloads right side down arrow click. First one select. Middle section లో download button click. Eclipse -win64.exe file downloading process start. File size 139 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Open file option click. Eclipse installer application run browser minimize. Eclipse installer window లో Eclipse IDE for C/C++ developers. Third option select. Bottom side install button click. Eclipse Foundation software user agreement section లో application related license agreement info display. First button accept now click. Installing application installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Completed process. Desktop shortcut Eclipse IDE display. Green color button. Launch. Click. Select a directory as workspace. Default created project save location display. In case change the path, right side browse button click. Desktop select folder. First button click. First button launch click. Application run. Browser close. Microsoft Defender execution check. Window second option. Keep Eclipse IDE being scanned by Microsoft Defender. Left side options. Circle tick mark set. First button proceed click. Desktop Eclipse IDE interface window. Maximize. Left side first menu file menu click. New option select. First option C/C++ project option select. Template for the new C/C++ project window. C related program. Enter first option select. C++ related project. Create second one. Classic C++ project select. Bottom side next button click. Project name enter. Charitech. Project type సెక్షన్లో Hello World C++ project option select. Right side second box tool chain సెక్షన్లో Mingw GCC select third option. Bottom side third button finish click. Default C++ simple script display. Created file name charitech.cpp. Left side Project Explorer window expand icon click. Second one src source code file. Left side expand icon click. Created file name charitech.cpp. Charitech info Warangal. File menu click. Save option select. Build debug icon click. Debug related file charitech.cpp. Next top section lo run green color icon click. Run as window lo second one local and C slash application select OK button click. Bottom side window lo executed output Charitech info Warangal display.